Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to lock any file or folder on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So for this, you will need to first head to your web browser and search for 7-zip. Now simply download this particular tool. It is quite lightweight, as you can see. Once you have downloaded this tool, simply go to the file or folder that you want to lock. Now right click on it and then click on show more options. Now in this menu, go to 7-zip and then select add to archive. Now you should see this dialog box. Here set the archive format to zip. So we just select zip here and then set the compression level to 0. Once you have done this, select this particular checkbox that says delete files after compression. Now simply enter the password here and then click on OK. So what this will do is delete the original file or folder, but you will see this zip file in the same place. Now if you try to open it directly, you won't be able to access the contents of the folder. So as you can see, I can see the image but I cannot really open it. Now if I try to open it using Windows's extract tool, so I'll just try to do that. I'll keep running into this particular error. Now anytime you want to access the contents of this folder, simply right click on it, click on show more options and then click on 7-zip. Now here select open archive. Here you will need to double click on the test folder, so whatever folder your name is, and then double click on the file that you want to open. Once you do, you will be prompted to enter the password. Once you enter the password, you should be able to open the file itself. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.